Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best drawing tablets for drawing comics, that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Huan INSPIROY Q11K. One of the best graphics tablet manufacturers in the market is Huan. Over the last few years, they have managed to produce some excellent drawing tablets. One of the best is the Huan Inspiroi Q11K. I would highly recommend this drawing tablet not only to people that are experienced with tablets but also to beginners. It has a pretty nice design and the working area is 11 by 7 inches, which is good enough. As soon as you open the box, you will realize that the company is serious about providing quality to its customers. In the box, you will find the tablet, a pen stand, the tablet cable USB Type-A to micro USB, a wireless receiver, driver installation CD, 8 pen nib replacements, and a user manual. The design of this one is pretty sleek and simple. The surface of the tablet is very smooth, and it has enough texture to prevent you from sliding. On the bottom of the tablet, there are 4 rubber feet, and they do a pretty good job. Moving on to the pen, which is made of full matte plastic with an interesting design, that feels very comfortable to hold. On the top, it has the charging hole for plugging in the pen charging cable. At number 4. Huan 1060 Plus. The Huan 1060 Plus might be the one for you. This one has a very nice looking design and it is made of textured hard plastic. Inside the box, you will find the tablet, stylus, USB cable, driver disc, USB charging cable for the stylus, and the manual. It has a pretty solid built quality and it can last you for years without a problem. It comes with 12 express keys that act as shortcuts to present functions. Furthermore, you should also know that there are 16 softkeys on the drawing surface that you can access with the great stylus. Something that I don't like about this one, is the position of the USB port. The USB port is placed in the middle, and when you use the express keys, your hands will be over the wire most of the time. However, that is a minor disadvantage, and I don't think that it will affect your work. The stylus, on the other hand, is well built and it has a slight texture to make sure that it does not slip. This one has 8,192 levels of pen pressure sensitivity and you can enjoy accurate and smooth lines when using this one. At number 3. Wacom Intuosctl4100. This one is a great drawing tablet for beginners. Wacom leads the industry in this segment, and with the Intuosctl4100, the company has proven that is one of the best. This one has excellent pressure-sensitive pen control, great size, and affordable price, and many more great features that might help you a lot. This one has a screen-free design. The drawing surface of the tablet corresponds to your monitor, meaning that it works like a trackpad. It may sound counterintuitive, but after you use it for a week or two, you will get used to it. The drawing surface of the Intuosctl4100 is 7.9 times 6.3 inches large, that is pretty generous, and on top of it, you will find 5 express keys that have a convex shape to double its function for resting the pen. The middle button works as a power button and is also helpful for setting up the Bluetooth connection. You can customize the other 4 buttons depending on your preference and needs. The pen, on the other hand, is just amazing. It feels great in hand, and on its side you will find 2 buttons that can be customized to your liking. It is a well-built tablet and it is made from a smooth plastic that feels excellent and will fit right into your office desk or home studio. Underneath you will find 4 rubber pads that will provide grip so the tablet won't slide around. At number 2. Wacom Cintiq Pro 24. This one is the perfect drawing tablet, as it can also act as a standalone PC, thanks to its large size, excellent screen, the best in the industry pen, and the Wacom Pro engine. It is one of the best without a doubt. However, I should mention that this product is pricey and is mainly designed and manufactured for professionals that require the best accuracy and colors, but if your job requires those, it will justify its price. This tablet has a pretty cool design and the tablet itself measures 26.65 by 15.5 inches and it is designed to sit on a desk and be sure to have space for it. Compared to other all-in-ones, this one feels and looks very chunky, but it is a professional drawing tablet, so that justifies the decision of building it like this. It is very comfortable to work with, and it has a very solid built quality. It has a great rear stand that doesn't move around. The Wacom Cintiq Pro 24 comes with the Pro Pen 2, like the Cintiq 16, and it offers a perfect 8192 pressure sensitivity levels, which is amazing. The pen delivers the best drawing experience in the market, as it is super accurate and is extremely versatile working with a wide range of software. And finally at number 1. Wacom Intuos Pro. It has a wide range of drawing boards. I was particularly impressed with the Wacom Intuos, which was excellent for beginners, thanks to its excellent pressure-sensitive pen control, good size, good features, and affordable price. If you want to get started with digital art, this is the way to go. It has a nice design, with an active area of 8.82 by 5.83 inches. It feels really nice to use and it works well on a desk or your lap. It has a very impressive built quality and the tablet itself looks pretty good thanks to its sleek black modern design. The surface of the Intuos Pro offers a good amount of resistance and it feels very natural to move the pen around. Furthermore, the pen feels great as well, it is thin and very comfortable to use. I noticed that the grip of the pen feels comfortable over long periods, and it won't slip. The device has 8 express keys and 4 have tactile feedback, which is great. The buttons are very smooth and then one button has a raised line and the other has a raised dot. This is a minor detail but it is very useful because this allows you to distinguish between buttons without the need to look down. Moreover, the Intuos Pro delivers 2048 levels of pen pressure sensitivity and tilt recognition. You can zoom, pan, and navigate naturally with gestures on the multi-touch surface of this one. It has many more great features that you should check out and see if it is the one for you, because the Intuos Pro is without a doubt a worthy purchase. Thank you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.